Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I welcome you all for our new video. Here I am your English teacher Ms. Sadaf Javed with unit number 3 water. This is part 2 of unit number 3 water. In our last video we read part 1 of unit number 3 water, that was the poem Daddy Fell into the Pond. And in this video we are going to study about water safety, that what precautions should be taken while we are in the water, in the lake or in the river. So kindly take out your book on page number 14. Water safety. When the weather is warm, everyone enjoys a swim or paddle. When there is hot weather, everybody wants to go to the river or to the lake for swim or paddle. What is paddle? Here is a picture of paddle where a man is standing on the boat and he is carrying a oar. With this oar he moves his boat here and there. This is called paddling. Most bathing accidents at the seaside, in rivers or in lakes occur during warm summer weather. Most of the drowning and most of the accidents in water occur during warm summer weather. Why is it so? Because the water level in the sea or in the river rises during the summer weather, because the ice from the mountains melts and it mixes into the water. That's why the people drown most in the summer weather. So it is most important to follow the safe code if you go for a swim. You have to follow the safe code whenever you go for a swim. What is safe code? Safe stands for S. Spot the dangers. First of all, whenever you go for the swimming, see whether there are some dangers or not. You should see whether the water level is high or low. Then you should go for swimming. A. Always go with a friend. Never go alone for swimming alone. Okay, always take your friend or family members with you. F. Find and know the signs and flags. Whenever you go for swimming, you should know the signs and flags over there, that what signs and flags means over there. For example, you have signs on the traffic. You have 3 signals: red signal, yellow signal and green signal. In the same way, there are signs and flags over the sea for the people. So you should know all the signs and flags, that what does they mean. E. Emergency. Emergency means what you have to do. Emergency means any accident if happens, what you should do. Shout. First of all, shout. Stick your hand up. Take your hand out of the water. Tell a lifeguard. These are the 3 situations in which you can inform a lifeguard. Stick your hand up and shout to call the lifeguard for the help. Okay, know your water safety flags. Now there are some flags which you have to know. Flag number 1 is safe flag. Whenever you see a safe flag near the sea or the river, it means there is a lifeguard on duty. Use the water between these flags. Lifeguard is the person assist over there to help the people who are in the water. If in the case of any emergency, the lifeguard help those people. So number 1 is safe flag. What is safe flag? It is red and yellow. So if the red flag and yellow flag is there, it means that water is safe and you can go for swimming. Flag number 2 is danger flag. Red color, it shows danger. What does danger flag says? Do not enter the water. Whenever there is red flag, it means there is danger. So never enter the water when you see this flag. Never enter the water. Maybe there are some dangers. Maybe the water level is so high that you cannot swim. So you should never enter the water whenever there is red flag. Flag number 3. This is flag number 3. Like box of black and white. This is a check sort of flag. It means no swimmers flag. Swimmers should not be here. The water level is high and this area is only for surfers and boats. Swimming is not allowed during this flag. Here is only surfing. What is surfing? Here is the picture of surfing. The boy is on the boat and this is called surfing boat and he is surfing in the sea. So whenever there is this sort of flag near the sea or the river, it means there should be no swimming, but there should be surfing and boats. Then water safety. These are the words meaning you have to understand. First of all, paddle, to row a boat with oar, as I have shown you the picture. Accidents, any mishap or trouble. Emergency, crisis, कोई जल्दी से कोई काम हो जाए, कोई गलत काम हो जाए, कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाए. Dangerous situation which need immediate action. Lifeguard, an expert swimmer to rescue swimmers, or lifesaver. Lifeguard is also called lifesaver. Surfing means riding on a surfboard. Okay, here it is exercise B on page number 15. Answer the questions about water safety. Question number 1. During what season of the year do most bathing and incidents occur? Answer. Most bathing incidents occur during warm summer season. Question number 2. Which one of the flags signals? Here is number 1, lifeguard on duty. Which flag shows us that lifeguard is on duty? Red and yellow flag. And which flag shows us that there is no swimming? That is red flag, which is danger flag. Question number 3. Name a plaything that might be dangerous to bring into water. What plaything might be dangerous to bring into water? A tire. Most of the time people take tire with them into the water, into the sea or into the river, which are flowing very rapidly. A tire can be dangerous to bring into water, but it is okay in a swimming pool. You can take the tire into the swimming pool but not into the big water. Question number 4. Why could it be dangerous? Why toy can be dangerous or tire can be dangerous? It is not a good idea and can be dangerous because you could be carried out further into deep water where you may not be able to swim. जब आप टायर पे होंगे तो वो टायर आगे आगे मूव होता जाएगा और आप गहरे पानी में चले जाएंगे, तो आप वहाँ से स्विम नहीं कर सकेंगे और वहाँ डूब जाएंगे. Question number 5. What are the 4 letters of the water safety code? The 4 letters of the water safety code are SAFE. Okay. Now here is exercise C. This is your homework. Now listen to this carefully. I have made a paragraph, but you should make your own paragraph. Imagine you are at a seaside. आप समंदर के किनारे पे हैं. Your friend is on a toy boat in the water. Your friend is on a toy boat. A toy boat is a sort of plastic boat. A big wind is blowing the boat out to sea. एकदम से वहाँ से बहुत तेज़ हवा चल रही है और सी की तरफ आ गई. Think, what can you do to help? How could you help your friend? Write a short story type of thing here. Okay, let's start. I went with my friends at the seaside. We took many things to eat and drink. When we reached there, first we had our lunch and then we decided to go for swimming. This is the story, but you can change this story. We stayed in the safe area to avoid any mishap. Mishap means any trouble or any accident. 3 of my friends took the boat and went into the water. As they were enjoying, a strong wind started blowing out to sea. As my friends were enjoying in the toy boat, something happened. A wind started to blow out to the sea. My friends were not able to control the boat. But definitely it was a plastic boat, toy boat. The friends were not able to control them. They cried out for help. I also called people for help. In the meantime, the lifeguards noticed the boys struggling in the water. Thanks God, there was a lifeguard in the nearby, and the lifeguard noticed the boys were in the trouble. The lifeguard saved them and brought them back to the shore. किनारे तक लेकर आया उनको and warned them never to go in the water on the toy boat. So toy boats can be dangerous. You should make your own story on page number 15. This is your homework. I have given you this paragraph for your help, but you can change it. Okay? Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.